Well, do you ever feel like your body is telling you there is a change coming in the weather? Well, that could be a sign of a bigger issue when it comes to your bones and joints.
Yeah, today's sponsor, Gibson Area Hospital Rheumatology Clinic. Dr. Sohail Farshad and Dean Kidd join us with more. I'm glad to have you both here with us.
Thanks for having us.
You know, rheumatology, I feel like, is a word that some people may not be familiar with.
Sure.
Can you start with just telling us what it is?
Sure. So rheumatology, it's a division in medicine where you have a rheumatologist, and a rheumatologist is a doctor that diagnoses and treats generally inflammatory arthritis conditions, which is essentially just inflammation of the joints. So you get joint pain, joint swelling, joint stiffness, and this can be related to either usually crystals in the joint, such as gout, pseudogout, and otherwise would be autoimmune conditions where the immune system is inappropriately attacking the body. And examples of this is like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and psoriatic arthritis. And then the rheumatologist's job is to diagnose this and treat it effectively.
So this inflammation, obviously you're treating that. Is there a cure for these type of ailments?
Sure. Unfortunately, rheumatology is generally not a cure for our conditions. Our goal is to treat the condition, put it in remission, and keep our patients on these medications as long as they're tolerating it just fine, and making sure that their disease is just quiet and quiescent throughout their life so they can live normal lives.
Yeah.
Now, is there a certain demographic or age range that you see more than others?
So there's no, it's actually throughout from in pediatrics all the way through geriatrics, rheumatology. You know, there's generally an adult rheumatologist and pediatric rheumatologist, but they deal with these conditions, all ranges.
Yeah. All right, let's talk with you, Dean. Apparently, those fine folks at Gibson Area Hospital think that the nurses are spectacular. So let's talk a little bit about why you're so passionate about what you do.
Oh boy, this is the only job I've ever had in healthcare. I've been with the hospital now for about 11 years. The hospital is extremely supportive of professional growth among the folks. I actually started as a nurse's aide, and they helped me through nursing school, and they helped me through my bachelor's degree, and now they're nurturing me in a new management position that I'm very excited about. And I'm delighted to have the opportunity to work with Dr. Farshad, our rheumatologist, and we also have a neurologist now. It's if you're a nurse looking for a place to be, it's a fantastic home.
Sounds like you guys are the place to go. If people are looking for some sort of care, you would be the type of people that you would want caring for you, absolutely.
Yeah, and I can definitely vouch for all of our staff, especially in our clinic. All of our nurses, our administrative staff, all of the higher-ups in the hospital, everyone's very, very supportive. They really care about good patient care. And it's honestly a very great environment for everyone involved.
So let's talk a little bit about what it looks like for somebody who may be experiencing arthritis or some kind of symptoms, what the process is like coming to see you. Sometimes we need to have a referral to come to a specialist like you.
Yeah, and my understanding, it all depends on your insurance and what that requires. Sometimes patients will call to make their own appointment to come to see us. And if you start developing symptoms of joint pain, swelling, stiffness, then we would be happy to have you come see us and evaluate you. But otherwise, if maybe a primary care doctor or another specialist, and then we would help them with whatever question that they had.
So you guys are at least a great starting point. If someone is experiencing pain, but maybe hasn't been able to pinpoint exactly what it is, at least making that visit.
Absolutely, and we can help determine what's the cause of their ailments.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we appreciate you both being here today.
Thank you so much.
If you have any questions and you want to learn a little bit more about the rheumatology clinic there at Gibson Area Hospital, there's a look at their website where you can definitely learn more, but we will, of course, link that up over at ciLiving.tv.